is Janet from Try It Like It Created, and tonight I want to share with you the big bonus box, and I'm going to show you what comes inside. I'm so excited. This is from Simply Earth, and they are an essential oils company, but different from other essential oil companies, and let me show you why. What comes in the big box. Now this right here is the monthly box, and we'll get to that. Everything else here is what's included in the big box. And you get this with your first order. Now what this contains is all kinds of support products to make recipes and to store your essential oils. So you've got these 6 bottles here that are like a dropper type bottle, it looks like. And then you have these 6 that are a roll-on, a roller ball. You see that? Then the other thing that comes in this box is a pack of beeswax and a big jar of 100% pure coconut oil. And I'll just show you the inside of this as I open it for the first time. So there's the coconut oil. And then you get 2 carrier oils. This one is liquid coconut oil, 100% pure. And you also get 100% almond oil. And so these are all kind of necessary tools to work with your essential oils. This is your monthly essential oil box. This box is the box for June. This is from Simply Earth. Let me show you what's inside. On the outside of the box, you'll notice that it has a QR code that you can scan for recipes and video tutorials. So they don't leave you alone with what you get. Then inside, you're going to get a list of what's included in your box, as well as some information about the box. Then what you're going to get is your 4 oils along here, and they're going to vary every month. So this month is lemongrass, mandarin, citronella, and good vibes. These are appropriate for the summer months. What else is included in here is a plastic spray bottle, and this is a lip gloss or lipstick type container, and then it comes with your recipes. So it comes with Summer Lovin' Lip Balm. That's what goes in this container. Surf's Up Diffuser Blend, and I believe this is what you can put in this bottle. Or no, I'm sorry, I think this goes in a roll-on bottle. It says you can diffuse it. So yeah, that's that. And then you have a garden spray, which would be more of this type bottle, and this is water, lemongrass, and your spray bottle. So that goes in there. Then you've got Citronella floating candle that you would use your citronella oil from. You've got a bug off roll-on. You would use the roll-on bottle that comes in the big box. And then peppermint infused oil. And what's in this box is you also have these stickers that label. So this goes on the roll-on bottle to label it. These are the labels that go on the ends of your bottles. If you want to, like this one, it says citronella. If you are going to store it sitting up, you would take your citronella sticker and put it on the top of the bottle. So all of these are appropriate to what's in your box. So then what we have here are floating wicks for your candle that they give you the recipe for, the citronella floating candle. And then we got the dried peppermint leaves, and that is for the peppermint infused oil that goes. This goes with the recipe card. So it, and then there, of course, there's another lip balm container. So each month you're going to get your oils, and then supplies that go along with it. The big box you get only once on your first order, but you also get your recipe cards. Now in this one you've got 6 recipe cards. You want additional recipe cards, you can scan the QR code on the box and look for the recipe videos and tutorials. So you have so many possibilities that you can do with your kit along with the big box.